Hello wonderful people, today I'm gonna tell you a lot about the best natural remedies that is used for prevention of the cancer. Why is cancer cells grow? First of all, because they manage to prevent their death, which is called apoptosis. Apoptosis is a process that occurs to cells when they deliberately decide to die. This often happens for the greater good of the whole organism. For example, when the cell's DNA becomes damaged and can become cancerous, if apoptosis is prevented for some reason, it can lead us to uncontrolled cell division and the subsequent development of tumors. Lung cancer is most common cancer in men, brain cancer in women. Prostate cancer, colorectal, melanoma, urinary tract cancer, kidney cancer, endometrial cancer are the most common in the world. Right now is great expansion of the getting cancer all around the world. Those I was telling you right now are the most common. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is up for sale on my new website that is called MariLab.hr. Much more about new book at the end of the show. Natural remedies and especially nutrition is going to help you a lot in the prevention of worst diseases of modern life. However, there's a large number of natural ways to prevent cancer. The best protector against the formation of the cancer is antioxidant called Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a powerful natural antioxidant present in the human body that has the role of supporting enzymes in various biochemical processes. It is necessary for every cell of the human body to generate energy and is present in the highest concentration in the kidney, liver, heart and the pancreas. It is stored in the mitochondria of the cells, which are often called factories, which is why it is involved in energy production. Coenzyme Q10 is a vitamin-like substance in our body. When we are getting older, this coenzyme Q10 is dropping in the level of our in our body. That's why it means when we get in 40, 50 or 60 years, we need every day this coenzyme Q10, especially if we want to prevent cancer development. Coenzyme Q10 resembles of vitamin E. It may be even more powerful antioxidant. It is also called ubiquinone. There's 10 common substances designed coenzyme Qs, but coenzyme Q10 is the only one found in human tissue. These substances play a critical role in the production of energy in every cell in our body. It aids circulation, stimulates immune system, increases tissue oxygenation, and has vital anti-aging effect. Deficiencies of coenzyme Q10 have a link to periodontal disease, diabetes, and the muscular dystrophy. Research has revealed that supplementation coenzyme Q10 has the ability to counter histamine and therefore is beneficial for people with allergies, asthma or respiratory disease. Right now, we also know when you take coenzyme Q10 in the proper daily dosage, it's going to prevent you the leg cramps or the leg spasm or the muscle spasm. Also, it's very beneficial for our brain health. Researchers find out when you take coenzyme Q10 each day, you're going to prevent Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, that means dementia. Also, it means your brain is going to work better. You will have better memory, better focus and concentration. Also, other conditions such as heart disease, migraine are related to defect in the body ability to turn food into energy, and coenzyme Q10 may help. Autism is thought to be caused in the part by oxidative stress, and coenzyme Q10 may be beneficial. Children with autism spectrum disorders who took 60 mg daily experienced a reduction in oxidative stress in the blood and improvements in sleep and gastrointestinal symptoms. Coenzyme Q10 appears to be a great step forward in the treatment and the prevention of cardiovascular disease. For today's show is very important for you to know. Coenzyme Q10 has a very big anti-cancer properties. That means when you take coenzyme Q10 in a normal daily dosage, you're gonna develop apoptosis for the cancer cells. In the short, that means when you take coenzyme Q10, it's going to help them make, as I said, suicide, and that is also very important. Coenzyme Q10 right now we know is one of the most powerful anti-cancer treatment in the world. Also, there is evidence that coenzyme Q10 can protect the heart from DNA damage that can sometimes occur from the high doses of chemotherapy drug. Also, coenzyme Q10 reduces chronic fatigue, pain in the muscles, and accumulation of bad cholesterol in blood vessels. You can find coenzyme Q10 in foods like organic beef, herring, organic chicken, California trout, sesame seeds, pistachios, nuts, broccoli, cauliflower, oranges, strawberry, eggs, sardines. You always take this into consideration. The best way to get coenzyme Q10, of course, is from the food. Unfortunately, a lot of you don't have the sources or needed or take any day approximately not enough coenzyme Q10. That's why you will be beneficial if you take supplementations from coenzyme Q10 in the form of the supplements. Usually, normally daily dose is going to be like 90 milligrams daily and can help you a lot in the prevention of cancer, also many other diseases. When you take food rich in coenzyme Q10 or take food supplements, always combine them with healthy fats like coconut oil or liver oil. There are also several extraordinary natural anti-cancer nutrients. First one is colostrum, speed up recovery and boost immunity. Second one is Kyolic garlic. You can take 2 capsules 3 times daily. Inositol hexaphosphate promotes the killing of cancer cells. Melatonin, 2-3 mg daily, 2 hours before the sleep. MSM and the selenium, 200 micrograms daily. Also, you need to follow a special diet that is the best diet in the world, and that is called intermittent fasting. About intermittent fasting, I was writing a book that is right now for sale, and it's called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. If you take into consideration that practices intermittent fasting with coenzyme Q10, also with other best anti-cancer natural remedies, is going to help you a lot on the prevention for cancer, and that is very important. If you have any kind of knowledge about natural remedies that can help in prevention of the cancer, please comment below. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.